Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I have put some grey paint on, and it's so hot today I think it's starting to dry, so I'm going to have to be a little bit faster. Anyway, so what I want to do is kind of a ribbon tour. I've got little weapons of self-destruct, and I'm going to put some colours on here. I have white, I have cobalt blue, or bright blue, I think it's cobalt. I have a touch of black. As we use the last of the white, and I have some beautiful bright red, and I'm going to put a bit more blue. Come on, out you come, there you go. So hopefully we'll have some very nice patterns the way that's just gone on, eh? Do this. There is silicone in each of these colours except for the white and the black, so actually what I'm saying is there's silicone in the red and the blue. As you can see there, that's already doing its thing, which is rather good. And oh yes, how pretty. Take it from here. And I'd like to do a bit of a card swipe on here too, I think. Let's see, about right on this corner here, doing a card swipe. Right, I'll just put that down. And I have my piece of card here that I'll dribble. Alright, I'll see if I can't cover that. Just to cover these, a bit more colour there. Where are you? There you are. This is fun. Don't you be barking, Mrs. Barker. Do you need to go out? Who's out there? Is the cat out there? Go on then, off you go. Funny little dog. Alright, that might be enough of that, and some more of my colours. As we go. I think I'll have some more colours in there, a bit of blue. When it decides to come out, where's my trusty little knife? Come out, blue. Some white. And some red. And a smidgen of black. I'm going to bring it right through here. Okay, so maybe up here too. I hate it. I shouldn't have done that card swipe. So what I'm going to do is put the last of this paint on and swipe it and call it a failure. And hopefully a nice swipe, and I'll swipe it with black. Hopefully the swipe will save me. I certainly hope so. Ultra blue. Okay, black. Across the top. And my cloth. One. Resurrected from the bucket, so you can't say that it's not damp. Well, you could say that, but you'd be wrong. Okay, so a little bit over the edge. Go on, that's it. Oops, alright. Just dribble some dribbles. And I'll put this back in the bucket. Thank you for your cooperation, cloth. And I'm going to tilt it. Might do it on here too while I'm at it. Okay. Looking good. I'll just do this side while I'm at it. Yep. And I actually think it can come down a bit more. Right. Where's a lot of glue just there. That's all right though. I'll just wipe my hands off. This is looking quite interesting. And just making that a little bit more bright. Red through this blue. I really like these bottom pieces here, they look really good. Alright, I think we have a fire cave going. Coming to life now though, it's good. Yes, I'm enjoying this. Little fire flames. Well, that is beautiful and such a pleasant surprise. Alright, I'm going to torch it and make sure I don't have any air bubbles to ruin it. And then I'll bring you down to have a look. Certainly got some cells. I didn't think I was going to have that many. Goodness, too many. I don't want that many. So I'm going to have to see about a bit of a fiddle here, I think. I'll get some black into it. It was a lovely fire cave before. I didn't want that many cells. The few that were there were quite nice. Not to worry, whinge, eh? Some black running through it and no more torching, I'm afraid. I just want my fire cave back. Alright, up this edge too. Right, it's looking better now. So I'm happy back again now. This is me happy, yeah. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look. And yeah, that's nice. Yep. Alright, here we go. Come off. Alright, from near failure to really good. One fire cave. Bring it down a little closer. And you can see the recipes for the pouring medium and the paints are under show more, under this video. And a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us. Oh, sorry about that. I just had to go and answer that phone. But, so I'll start showing you again because I don't really remember where I was up to. This is the painting that I just did, and the more I look at it, the more I like it. It's really quite pretty. And you can see that quite a number of cells have grown since I was just on the phone. And that's rather good. It's really very, very pretty. So I think I told you the recipes for the pouring medium and the paints are under Show More. The link to my Facebook group is also under Show More, and a link to Fine Arts America and Priscilla Betzel's Amazon, all under Show More. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you over Australia Art Dreaming or in the next video. Bye for now.